Off the boat now. You ready? You guys are cray-cray. What's up, Fire Squad? Today we are going somewhere special. You ready?
To a water park.
Not a water park. We're gonna go.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to board the ferry. The little cruise. They call it the water taxi. And I want to show something. Cash found this. I think it's dog food.
No, it's bird food.
Comment down below. Does that look like dog food or bird food? Like, I'm confused. It's only 25 cents to feed. Oh, is it duck food? I don't know. Here on the dock right now. About to get on. Yeah, Potomac Taxi. That's what it's called. I was wondering what it was called. Anybody gonna get seasick? Who's getting seasick? Nobody. City cruises. You got sick at the Ferris wheel? There's a little ramp. We can sit anywhere, she said. Let's see the top deck. Ooh. Whoa. Look at this view. This is so cool. Nice. Are you excited? We're taking off. Yeah, from the dock. Hey, we're on the boat. Yay. Go ahead and look over, Faith. Look, she's like, I don't know. Yeah, bye National Harbor. We're going fast now, huh? She loves this. Yeah. No, there's not enough room under that bridge. Well, let's find out. Say bye, National Harbor. Is this fun? Yeah, hold that cup. Don't drop your cup over. Oh, we rolling faster. Hey, is that the price of boat gas? It says regular $6.79 diesel. How come it's regular costs more than diesel? What's going on? For the boat, yeah. That's where we stayed in a previous vlog at the Gaylord. Look how huge that is. Oh my goodness. So we're staying here now. We went from the Gaylord to there. We stayed a few days there. Now we're at the Westin. There's another taxi. Nice. Wear her shades. Be careful with Eliott shades. Wave to the other boat, the other taxi. Say hi. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. Comment down below, how pretty does this look? I mean, come on. And then the city's over there. I'm gonna zoom in for you all. Ooh, hey. It can go more, let's see. It gets blurry. No. The boat, can someone give me a arr? Say arr. Can mama give us an arr? A piece? Eliott, can I get an arr? She's like, I'm 13, Dad.
Yeah,
Chill.
this is Eliott arr.
Kendra, give me an arr. Faith, give me an arr. Somebody has a nice house right off the coast. That is cool. As you can tell, we're right by the airport. GM Grand Casino. So obviously we're not going there with kids. Oh, we are going to this bridge. This is a memorial bridge. Faith, we're going under the bridge. We're gonna go under. You ready to go under the bridge, Cash?
Yeah, I see a white bird.
Yeah. Oh yeah, seagulls. Yeah, they're everywhere. Here we go. Whoa, this bridge is huge. Goodness. He said, goodness gracious. Nice. Here's the other side. This is nice. Look at this area. It looks like a colonial type of condo area. Look at the colors. Cash said it's Candyland. I think this is the dock where we're going. Over here, down below, they have a little air conditioning spot here, which is cool. Whole bunch of seats. Hey, wait a second. Let's just see what's in here. It's a nice view here. A ferry right there. Nice. So we're pulling in. This is called the Cherry Blossom, that one over there. Oh, the chart house. I want to get something to eat, like some official crab cakes since we're in this area. Comment down below if you like crab cakes. Nice. We're coming in hot, y'all. Hang on. Oh, that is a restaurant up there. Nice. Got to check that out. This area is called Old Town Alexandria, which is cool. Off the boat now. You ready? Here in Old Town Alexandria. This looks so cool, this area. Ticket sales and gift shops. Wow, look at this. I don't know what building that is. It says Torpedo Factory at the center. Cool. This is a restaurant called Blackwall Hitch. Cool. Here is information for Old Town Alexandria. They say the Masonic National Memorial is a block away. Christ Church, the Carroll House Historic Park. Nice. Friendship Firehouse. Oh, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office Museum. Now that's a big deal. Torpedo Factory Art. 100-year history. Here's the floors. I think this is so cool. They give you actual sunscreen here, your own. Oh, look at this, so cool. Whoa, look at this torpedo. Huh? Eliott family of 7. Represent. They're writing cool stuff up here. The fun they need right now. Here on this chalkboard. They have artwork everywhere. I guess you can buy some of this artwork. Through the eyes. Oh, look at that. Cool. You guys are cray-cray. Mickey Mouse. Really wants to see this torpedo up close. This green one. This is huge. It says the U.S. Navy Torpedo Station, Alexandria, Virginia. This thing is huge. Can you imagine this was used, Sean, in war? These type of things. This is so awesome. A lot of historic artifacts here. They even show it, Sean. They showed a torpedo launching. This is a ferry looking like a ferry just shooting one off. Dang! This is so awesome. It says, we made this T-Rex at an art safari. 10/13/2018 of kids. His name was Bluey Louie. He loves taking selfies with visitors. The Torpedo Factory. This beautiful art here. And they are selling this art here, which is awesome. These bottle caps, and they're pins. They're $9 a piece. These are beautiful pins. All types. Alexandria's little district. This is cool, huh, babe? A lot of restaurants here. Everybody's walking. The guy's playing. She's giving $1 to the guy. Faith is. Torpedo Art Museum. A nice boat ride, right? Was that fun, Eliott? Did you have fun? Yeah. All right, say popping up on the screen is another video.
Say Celeste and Holly favorite.
We'll see y'all.